Right here, I have the only copy of my electrical engineering processor design project that's due tonight. And you guys sent in a plethora of files that I am going to willingly install on my PC. Will my homework survive? That's the question for today's video. So in the last video, I said if it got 10,000 likes, I would take this computer to Best Buy to let the Geek Squad get their opinion of it. Well, that video clearly has 10,000 likes, so we will be taking it to Best Buy at the end of the video. Also, I said if it gets 100,000 views, I will do the next video shirtless. Y'all see I still have a shirt on. That will change shortly. You guys get a very exclusive sneak peek into my non-existent OnlyFans. Hope you guys enjoy. Also, we've got to set some goals for the next video. We're going to have to up the antics because we've got some seriously good motivators for you to like and watch this video. Number one, if this video gets not 50,000, 100,000 views, I will drag my girlfriend and she will be the one sitting here also opening these assorted files. If you guys can manage a whopping 20,000 likes, I will be showing my professor this and why I couldn't open my homework or couldn't submit my homework because my computer's become inoperable. We're going to do a little bit something different for the shirtless. We've got 3 things that must happen, or any 3 of these things can happen, and I will remove my shirt. A rickroll. Should be pretty easy. The computer becomes inoperable, means that I can't do anything on the computer. And lastly, something inappropriate gets sent to me or was in one of these files, and I open up and my blessed eyes can see that. One of those 3 things happens, and my shirt comes off for your viewing pleasure. And in case you're wondering how fun the next video is going to be for me, I'm sure for you, but definitely for me, my girlfriend watches a couple of these videos apparently. So she's going to know exactly what she's being dragged into before she gets here. And oh, will you look, we have threats found. Okay, to start off the video as usual, let's just open up a couple of the pictures that you guys sent. First up, we've got a video game parrot guy. We've got the scout from TF2. Very respectable and innocent thing. I keep my shirt on for today's video. No, I keep my shirt on for now. We have a couple of things submitted by me, Jay. We have an interview.png. We have my nudes.exe. And we have my pp.jpg. Let's start with the interview. I'll save my nudes.exe for last. My nudes.exe will be last. Interview? What is this trying to insinuate? That I'm, we've got the microphone, and I've got a deer. The deer looks, I don't know, it looks like honestly a middle-aged dad. Like, that's what that reminds me of. My PP. I hope you guys liked the video. Take that back. Don't like the video so that way I don't actually have to do this anymore and subjugate myself, my girlfriend, and my professor to whatever the crap you guys send in next time. Okay, some of y'all are really good at Photoshop. Some of y'all are quite talented at Photoshop. Sadly, though, this is not anatomically correct. You see, this is just a regular computer monitor, not a magnified one. If it was magnified, you still might need a microscope to see anything at all related to my PP. Whoever made this, I appreciate that you made things larger than life. Also, find something better to do than photoshopping, like, my PP. Like, that's like stuff I'd put on OnlyFans or something. That's kind of sus. Oh, even better yet, I slammed my penneth in the car door. This is gonna be bad. Whew. Yeah, even though it's a duck, I feel kind of concerned. Spin.mp4. That could be really bad. Whew. It looks like some type of yeah, there was a certain website from my childhood that was sent as a joke that something else spun around and around. I was honestly expecting it to be that. GarfieldPong.exe. You know what? Let's give that one a shot. Uh-oh. Smart screen is not available, guys. You know what that means? We might be up a creek. Let's see what do we get? Created by Don Glitchy. Garfield, how would you like to play a game of Pong with me? The Garfield Pong game. Play game, practice. So what are the controls? Not that. Not the mouse. Oh, okay. It is the... It looks like it's the W and S keys. Okay. I think this is running at like 2 frames. Maybe 3. Okay. So this isn't bad, except for the fact like anywhere you hit it on the thing is like a random luck of the draw. Like where it's going. Let's quit out of here. So this looks pretty respectable. We have My Pal Win64 installer. Open it up. What is My Pal? Uh-oh, we need administrator permissions for My Pal. Setup.exe. I trust y'all, right? You guys wouldn't do anything to my homework. You guys wouldn't in any way make me have to redo my... Actually, remake an entire processor by midnight tonight, right? You guys wouldn't do that. Standard. Okay. Installing My Pal. Oh, you can set My Pal. Oh, it's a browser. Literally looks like Internet Explorer, but like discount. So you got My Pal and Pale Moon, something like that. At least it uses DuckDuckGo. Okay, we have someone named Big Kong. Click and I give money. Okay. I like money. Money's nice. Yeah, that's furry porn. I don't know how many of y'all are actually furries or you guys think it's just hilarious. But I'm clearly not. Y'all have issues you might need to get resolved. My personal advice would be to find a girlfriend. That would be kind of good. Oh, and I think we've surpassed, what was it, the 3 things? Rickroll, computer inoperable, or too much inappropriate crap. Yeah, I think we've checked that box. So congratulations, you guys get to see OnlyFans content outside of OnlyFans. Assuming we do the next video with my girlfriend, we show the professor the stuff. Of course, assuming you like the video. I might actually have to make an OnlyFans with all this shirtless content that I'm doing. Without further ado, I guess you guys want to see something OnlyFans-ish. Okay. Congratulations. Shirtless. What do you guys want to see? My being blasted all over the internet. Aren't you proud? Question now is whether or not I'll be going shirtless into Best Buy. That'll be interesting to see. Let's see if they let me in the building at the end of the video. Hiddenrickroll.exe. Okay, run it anyway. Hidden Rickroll. Lol. Oh, volume's maxed out. Question is, do we make it back into the OS? Or do I not even have... Oh, well, we made it back into the OS. The greatest password in the history of passwords is always password. Got bat files. Big Chungus. Real. Oh my gosh, guys. Cut it out. I don't even know where you guys find these videos. Alert, intrude, wave. Let's give this one a shot. Okay, I guess it's time to go for the EXEs. My nudes.exe will be saved for last. Guide.exe. I trust you guys. You guys wouldn't do anything, right? Wouldn't touch my computer and mess up my homework. I'd hate to have to actually redo my homework. Uh-oh, we've got an unhandled exception. Oh, well, looks like someone's virus didn't work. I don't care. This is a... Uh-oh. That's great. We've got the Pope staring at something interesting. That's... Oh, we've got more memes. I guess we time to open up my my nudes then. Smart screen is right. You guys wouldn't do anything to my computer. My nudes.exe. What could be in my nudes? We've got the Pope in a different language. Oh, I smell. Okay. Oh, there's the memes. So we have the Pope looking at some interesting images. Someone really doesn't like the Pope, it seems. Actually, I think it's the old Pope, though. And someone's winding up a dog. So I guess the next logical thing to do is to go through and take this up to Best Buy and see what the Geek Squad up there has to say. Quick reminders, like the video. 20,000 likes, you guys get to see my professor's reaction to this, probably. Something very similar to this. 100,000 views. And my girlfriend, who is probably watching this, is conscripted into joining me through some of this torture. So I guess we pause the virtual machine, take it up to Best Buy to see what they think. No way I'm getting my homework on. Actually, I should probably start on the homework. Oh, crap. What the...